has become the epitome of that classic line, dreams do come true.
Ann Curtis, welcome to General Santos City!
Opportunities will arise, and it is up to us whether to let them go or to seize them.
Expecting her to be yung kagaya sa Showtime more than producer. Excited kami Ann. I told ka namin, welcome to Gensan.
We're the G-Force!
The whole experience is very memorable for me kasi ito yung parang pinaka-first kong tour. Since bago lang ako sa G-Force, binigyan kagad ako ng opportunity to work with Ann Curtis and of course with the rest of the G-Force gang na sobrang veteranong-veterano na. So for me, itong buong experience na to, it's so memorable every time na nagtutour kami kung saan-saan po.
Paliwan namin lagi pag rehearsal, parang mas marami pang time yung kwentuhan namin, harutan namin, chismisan kaysa sa rehearsal.
Salamat po sa inyong lahat. Magandang gabi, General Santos.
Yes, it's such an honor na bahagi pa rin tayo ng ambisyosa provincial concert tour team. And so much fun ni Cagayan de Oro. Ngayon naman sa Gensan. Oo, General Santos. And sobrang saya.
Hindi nila pwedeng ganyanin si Senator Miriam Defensive Santiago E. Lachetes Bertones Claudio Bermones Perez de Cuellar Naca de Coco Pastillas de Leche Pescado Escabeche con Puro Chiche Moriche de la Familia de León de Santiago Marca de León Aceite de Oliva Extra de Benensur Parang Instruction Tayuman na Rizabal Manuela Caeta E. Quezon City.
Kina-spatial ng General Santos, very close sa akin ang pangalan Santos. Tsaka, I think for the very first time in the cities na nakasabayan ko, na naging bahagi ako, may Eric Santos! Yes, so this particular edition ng Ambisyosa Concert Tour around the country, may Eric Santos na kasama rin sa General Santos, ni John Santos.
Nakakabahan ako.